I'll demonstrate creating an author bibliography on JournalMap. JournalMap allows you to create custom collections of articles, useful for sharing with others, or creating a public portal to represent a body of work, like an author bibliography in this case. So after creating an account and logging in, I'm going to click on the account link in the upper right hand corner here. And this will take you to a listing of articles you've already added to JournalMap. You can see I've already added one article here. When you create a collection, you can use any of the articles in JournalMap's database. But before I create a collection, I need to create a profile in case I later decide to share any of my collections publicly. So I've already filled out this profile to speed things along. And you'll notice that there are two profile types. A person, which as an author I've selected, but you can also choose an organization if you're a publisher or foundation. So since this is done, I'm going to go back to collections here, hit create a collection, type in a name, hit create, and that creates an empty collection for me. I'll just need to add articles to it. Hit this add articles button here. So for adding an article, the search works exactly like the map search on the front of JournalMap. You can search by keywords or any filters. In this case, I'll choose an author filter, search for Jason Carl, and you'll see that Jason Carl has two different names under here. Sometimes publishers like to use a middle initial or some variation on your name. Select the other. With that, I can select all of the articles here and add them to the collection. You see them listed in here, along with a map of all the articles' locations. The next thing I'm going to do is create a public page to represent this bibliography. I'll do that by clicking the Share Page button here. So on a public page, you can add an introduction and a description describing the collection or body of work. In this case, I have a pre-prepared introduction and description, which I'll just finish pasting in here. So the next thing you'll need to do is choose your relationship to the collection. I'll be the author of the articles on here, though these are Jason's articles, not mine. And then next you can choose whether to share your profile's contact information, like the phone or email or social links, which I'll do both. With that, I'll hit create. And that creates this public-facing page, which I can share the URL with anybody. You'll see that you have your introduction, description, along with the location map for all the articles, along with a listing of all those articles, which you can click through here. And JournalMap will also show the most recently published articles in this collection here, along with their locations. So that's it. I'm done. I've created an author bibliography here on JournalMap. Thank you.